A production supervisor at a consumer electronics factory receives a Slack alert. Defect rates on production line 3 have suddenly risen above acceptable limits. Instead of digging through dashboards, the supervisor opens the AI agent to understand what's happening. Within seconds, the agent identifies the source of the issue. A machine on line 3 is showing abnormal quality patterns and elevated operational risk. A deep dive surfaces the full picture. The machine is reaching critical levels, a machine learning risk score confirms the severity, and inspection logs adds context. The immediate concern is business impact. The agent quantifies potential revenue exposure and flags that if no action is taken, delivery dates slip by 6 to 8 days. At this point, the focus shifts from understanding the issue to deciding the best operational response. The agent evaluates multiple options and recommends immediate maintenance with production rerouting. The recommended option results in 0 delays and addresses the root cause of the increasing defect rate. What powers this entire operational workflow is Oracle AI Data Platform. Using an AI Lakehouse architecture and Medallion data pipelines, data is ingested, standardized, and enriched across structured and unstructured sources. Spark notebooks and data pipelines enable large-scale data engineering and transformation across operational systems. Machine learning models, managed through MLflow, generate predictive insights and real-time risk scoring. On top of that foundation, agents use RAG and governed enterprise context to reason across operational data, explain risk, and recommend actions. The orchestration layer enables faster issue resolution, continuous operations, and proactive detection of operational risks before they become business disruptions. Need to scale this to other manufacturing facilities? Git integration and bundle feature allows teams to replicate the entire setup, data pipelines, agents, workflows, to a new facility with minimal effort. And the Credential Store lets users securely share artifacts across teams without ever exposing sensitive credentials. By combining enterprise data, AI, machine learning, governance, Oracle AI Data Platform turns operational signals into trusted real-time decisions.